Okay, good morning everyone. So this is our lesson for today entitled Unit Commands. For our objectives for today is number 1, define unit command, set unit required AutoCAD, value the importance of unit command in creating geometry in AutoCAD. So learning content. So this unit, our learning for today is about unit command. What is unit command? It controls coordinates and angle, display formats, and precision. Ways to open the drawing unit dialog box. Number 1, through application button. You can open your um, unit command dialog box by clicking the application button, that is the upper right left corner of your interference of the AutoCAD, and it will drop down. You will choose the drawing libraries, then choose units. Okay, you can also open the unit command by simply typing simply looking at the ribbon, no? At you're going to click the format menu. Okay, then click the format menu, then drop down, then choose units. Okay, then we have also the third one, that is simply type in the word UN and then enter. You choose units, then enter, or just simply type in the line bar UN. So then choose units, then enter. So that's the four-way how to open the dialog box for unit control. Tama. Okay. So this is the drawing units, or the drawing unit dialog box. Number 1, length. Here, if you click the arrow for drop down, when you click that, it will appears for 5 different choices: the architectural, the decimal, the engineering, and the functional and scientific. So usually we use decimal in this in our lesson. We use the decimal. So in precision, how many units of number it will appear in your in the measurement. Okay, so you can choose either 0 for 1 unit only, or 0.0 for 2 units only, then so and so forth. Yeah. For angles naman, that will appear on the decimal degree, minutes and seconds, grads, radians, surveyor units. So here in precision, same thing as the precision in length. No, you can choose either 0 or 0.1 in that way, so and so forth. So in this in section scale, or our scale will be focusing here in this dialog box is under inches. No, for us here in the Philippines, no, here in Asia, we always use these three categories here: millimeters, centimeters, and meter. Okay, but no, but you can change it in other different units, like unitless, inches, feet, miles. We have other here: kilometers, micro inches, miles, yards, angstrom, nanometers, microns, decimeters, decameters, hectometers, gigameters, astronomical, light years, and parsecs. Okay, so ganun po kalawak ang AutoCAD, no. Limitless nga, sabi nga ang AutoCAD, no. Kaya kahit yung layo ng light years, parsecs, ay kaya niyang bigyan ng sukat or gumawa kayo ng ganong kalaking kahaba or kalaking object, no? Ganun po ang AutoCAD, no? So you can choose by this kind of pero the usual here in Asia, we use millimeters, centimeters, and meters. Okay, so here we have here the lighting, uh, or the units of specifying intensity of light. So ito yung pag ginagawa na natin siyang 3D, magkakaroon siya ng shadow effect, no? So kung gusto niyo masyadong intensity yung or mabago yung lighting effect niya, you can choose from 3 categories here, no? Yung international, American, and generic. Tapos you can choose either what location of your light will be, no? Ito kasi halimbawa gagawa kami ng plano ng bahay, no? Tapos currently, no, hindi mo napansin na yung light mo ay nasa likod pala ng ginawa mong bahay. So you can choose the direction of the light. Ayan, so pwedeng mong ilipat siya sa north, sa west, sa south, and other, no? You just pick the type, or you can give an precise angle for that, no? So that is what you can do in the dialog box. Okay, angle, position, control, measurement. So that is the different parts of the drawing units dialog box. Okay, about for this conversion, there's a specific format of numbers and decimal planes for lines and angular units. The linear units, you can choose from several common conversion to represent format and precision in lines, distance, and coordinates display in the properties palette, dynamic input, the status bar, and other location. For example, here are the 3 variation of dynamic input. So in dynamic input, ito yung dynamic input. When you start create a line, it will appears a certain measurement, no? So there are 3 different variety of yung measurement ang lalabas pwede mong gamitin, no? The first one is the architectural. So this is the numbers that you will appear in architectural. Okay. So in decimal naman, yung katulad kanina, no, there's a precision. We choose dito sa precision nito is 0.00. And this is for scientific, no. So meron siyang 3.50 E plus 00. So ganyan yung itsura pag scientific. So that is for other here. Ano pa? Yan, this is for engineering. Meron by 1 feet by minus 350 inches. Ganon siya. Ganon sa architectural. Din naman sa engineering, and ito naman yung functional. So that is either choices that you can units that you can use if you want to change the unit decimal for unit numbers for your what you call this coordinate display, no, yung properties niya. Okay. For angles, pwede rin naman yung baguhin rin yan, no? Yung angles, ito yung katabi nito, yung 30 degrees na nakalagay dito. You can for this example, as you can see here, siya, nakalagay siya sa decimal degree. Yan, sa decimal degree siya. So you can change it into degree, minutes, seconds. Yan. Pwede rin siya by grads. Yan. Gradients na yun. Okay. Radiant, no? Doon sa, you can choose by radian. Surveyor units. So, ganyan po siya pwedeng baguhin. No? Okay. So, about units of measurement, always remember this, no? Drawing objects are measured in drawing units. So before you start, you must decide what drawing unit will represent based on what you plan to draw. When you create a drawing actual size with the conversion, for example, the object below represents two buildings that each 150 feet long for a section. For mechanical parts and measure in millimeters. So, ito ay example ng paa nung building, no. To ano? So, represent two buildings, no, dalawang building siya. So, meron siyang 150 long. Ngayon, binabago natin to based on what how big or how small the object that we're going to create. For example, no, pag masyado nang maliliit yung ginagamit natin, hindi na applicable para gamitin natin yung meter. Hindi na applicable para gamitin natin yung feet. So, bumabase na tayo sa mas maliliit na unit of measurement. For example, millimeters, no. Okay, for inches, ganun. So, always remember, if you go before you start to create your project, make it sure what kind of or what the best unit of measurement you will use for this project. Okay, so can I go back? No, I going to transfer now to AutoCAD. Yeah. So again, just going to repeat whatever we have kanina. No. Okay. So, kanina, sabi ko nga, meron tayong 3 ways para mabuksan ang ating dialog box na yun. No? So, here, meron tayo dito sa okay. Wala yung aking ito. So, sabi dito, through application button, no? So, doon sa lower corner, no? Sa CAD, dito yan. Teka lang, off ko lang yung aking cam. Okay. So, dito, meron tayong drop down dito. Tapos, ayun, drawing utilities, tapos you choose units. So pag open yan, okay, sa kabilang lumabas ang window ko. Okay, so dito ang lalabas yung drawing units. Ito yung drawing units. So tapos there's another way. Sa 2019 version, wala na kasi yung tinatawag na format dito na na shortcut icon. So wala na siya sa ribbon, dito na lang siya. Next, another one is dito doon sa ating screen. No? Just simply type in UN. Then the unit drop down. Tapos click yung units. Then lalabas na uli si drawing units. Okay, ayan na siya uli. Okay, another. You can also type in dito sa type command yung unit command yun. So type in UN, then enter. Then that's it. Ayan uli. So lumabas na uli siya. So punta tayo doon sa mga niya. Sa length, so you can choose from architectural, decimal, engineering, functional, and scientific. Meron rin tong you can choose from different degree number of zeros that you want, no. For example, so 0 0. For angles naman, precision usually is 0 0. Di naman dito. Sometimes ang degree naman is fixed, no. Fixed lang ang usually nangyayari pag sa mga designing that is fixed na 45 degree ganyan. Pero pag mga kasi yung mga pre-design na maliliit, no, may mga maliliit na dito inclination o grades na nangyayari, no. So kaya nababago rin to. Pwede natin palitan to ng by ayan, to, no, precision at 0.00 ganun. Okay, or so we can change into decimal, minutes and seconds, grads, radiant, or severe units. So we can choose here from different unit of no. So katulad nito, inches, feet, miles, meter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. So that's it. Then we have here the international or American. Yan. So tapos direction, no? So it's either east or west, ganyan. So it will point out kung anong direction ng angle of light, no, pupunta yung ating liwanag pagdating sa lightning. So yan na. So pag okay ka na doon sa iyong dito sa iyong sa iyong ginawang setup, no? So you're just clicking okay. Ayan. So okay na. Tapos another ito yung kanina. Ayan, yan. Okay. So about this line distance coordinates, ayan, sa dynamic input natin. So paano natin mababago yan? So based on scientific okay, so try natin kung ano yung nasa CAD ko. So dito sa CAD, type in L. So lalabas yung dynamic input dyan. Ayan. Okay. So ayun po yung kulay blue. Ang nakalagay sa akin is 0.00 lang kasi, no. So we can choose that, we can change that by using UN, changing it by UN. Tapos palitan natin siya ng yung length natin, palitan natin siyang architectural. Tapos yan. So gano'n, no, makikita niyo yung precision, iba na yung itsura niya. So pag okay natin diyan, pag nag-type tayo ng L, mapapansin nyo, iba na yung unit of measurement na gamit ko, no. Nagkaroon na siya ng 1 feet by 5 inches and 1/4. Yeah. So ganun na yung measurement niya. Again, so we can change that again to a different unit ulit. UN, type UN, then enter. Then change it to engineering. So makikita nyo, ito na siya. Then okay. Then tingnan natin kung ano itsura niya. L. Yun. So naiba na siya. Ayan. Okay. So sa naman, let's type in UN again. Try natin yung fractional. Ayan. So ito yung by fractional. Okay. 1 and 1/4, mga ganun siya, no? Type in 1L. Yan. So lalabas dyan. So yan. Yan. 18 by 1/2. Ganun yung niya, no? Unit of measurement niya. Again, another. Type in UN ulit. Tapos, let's choose scientific. So, okay. Tapos, type in L. Then, scientific. So, ganun yung lumalabas sa kanya. Okay. So, ibalik lang natin sa dati. Paano natin ibabalik sa dati yung ating just type in UN. Tapos, balik tayo sa decimal. Yan. So, yun lang. So, degrees, ganun rin. No? Nababago rin yung degrees in such way as parehas lang rin ng line. So, ganun siya. Okay. Now, for your activity for today, no, I want you to look at this sample here, no. Ito yung pagbabasehan natin, no. Study the picture on the right. Supply the missing information to complete the drawing unit dialog box. So dito, ilan yung unit of zero yung ginamit nila dito? Anong type of measurement ba to? Engineering ba to? Architectural? Decimal? So you write here. Okay? Susulat niyo yan dito. Tapos, same rin sa angles. Tingnan nyo kung anong klaseng unit of measurement yung ginamit dito. Is decimal, English, or ganyan. Tapos, tingnan nyo kung ilan yung zero na nilagay dito. Okay. So, sorry. Balik ulit tayo. Then, okay, wala na namang binago dito. So, ito lang tong apat na to. Okay? Then, okay. Next tayo. Next activity. So, dito makikita natin yung length type and angle type. Ibig sabihin, pag click nyo yung length type, nag-drop down. Ano yung makikita natin doon? Alin yung mga nakasulat doon? So, you just write here those different, tag dito, segregate nyo siya doon sa specific ano nila. Type of length type ba siya or angle? Okay, so ganun lang po yung inyong activity number 2. So, I hope you learn today about this unit dialog box, no? So thank you for watching, and I hope you will pass your activity later. So I will wait until 6 p.m. para doon sa lahat ng activity niyo for today. So thank you guys, and pasensya na rin dahil hindi tayo nakapag live lesson tayo ngayon. So that's all for today. Goodbye.